In this video, I will show you how to delete Reddit account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to reddit.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, what you want to do now is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile picture to open up your profile menu, and from the menu that comes up, just come down and click onto settings. And what it's going to do is take you into your settings. At this point, you want to come up to the top and make sure you clicked onto account over here. And then what you can do is come down to the bottom, and underneath the advanced section, you can see there's an option here to delete account. And once you've clicked onto that, a window is going to pop up like this. So it says, "We're sorry to see you go. Once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit, and your post, comments, and messages are disassociated, not deleted from your account unless you delete them beforehand." So just something to bear in mind there, that they don't actually delete your comments, messages, and posts. You do need to go through and delete those before you actually delete your account if you no longer want them on Reddit. So at this point, all you need to do is go ahead, enter your username and password, and you can leave a reason for leaving. However, this is completely optional. Once that's done, tick the box to agree and understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable. And then what you can do is just simply click the blue delete button at the bottom. And after you've clicked that, that's going to be put forward for your account to be deleted. So that is how to delete Reddit account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.